to my channel. It's Atia. So today I'm coming to you guys with a DIY. I don't know if you guys know, but I got these made. I think this is still really long, but I wanted to make my own nightstand because I was sick of almost paying close to $300 for a nightstand actually, because the ones I wanted were $300. So I'm like, oh, let me make my own. So I went to Home Depot, and you can pick out wood and they'll cut it for you. I still think this is kind of too long, especially because, I mean, we'll see. After we make them, I can easily go take them back and get them cut shorter. But these actually might be a great height. Yeah, so I got these wood planks made. These were 75 by 11.25. If you guys can see that. So yeah, I got hammer, I got wooden nail, or liquid nail, sorry. I got these, I got spray paint, I got a hammer, and yeah, so I think altogether everything came up to about $40. I would say $35 or more. Because if we got them a little bit shorter, it would cost less than this. So I would say like $35. Basically, I got twos of everything. So I got 4 legs and then 2 tables. I think altogether, yeah, it came up to like $35. So once again, you're spending basically for the price of one nightstand, you're getting for 2. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this part because we messed up really bad. The lengths and the legs that we got were like 32 inches. And the length of my nightstand that I currently have, I was trying to go off of, is 19 inches. So this is basically a stool. We were making a stool. Like my sister put it under my counter where like you can put stools under, and it literally fits. So yeah, ignore this part. So right here, you can start to see how tall it is. Yeah, I wouldn't measure stuff before. So now we had to go back to Home Depot and get the current measurements. And then this time use liquid nail because we forgot to use it last time, because we were able to just pull the legs right off of the tabletop. So I made sure to put lots of liquid nails on it. That way, not only can it stick with the nail, but also this adds an extra layer of protection. So you might see me putting a lot. And also, please don't follow me verbatim because I don't know what the heck I was doing at all. Like, please do your own thing. That's all I'm trying to let you guys know. Is this is what I did. If I did something wrong, then you can fix it. So now I'm just going to hammer it in. One thing is, you might notice that one leg in each table is crooked. I was able to fix it because I didn't realize it until I took a good look at it after I was done painting it. But it's now fixed now. So if you guys see it in the video, ignore it because it's not like that anymore. And word of advice is, do not do this indoors because it's very, very loud. And if you live in an apartment complex, the people under you probably hate you. I know they probably hate me because I mixed up each one twice. So I would do it on a solid ground, just if you want to be courteous to your neighbors. But yeah, it turned out pretty great for me, a beginner doing this. So here are the tables side by side. Excuse the boxes. I am moving, so I don't really care about sharing my apartment because I won't be living here the next couple of days. But yeah, so these are great. I went for the rustic look. As you guys see me painting, you'll see that there's still wood exposed. I purposely did that. I wanted to have like a little rustic feel. Because I think the wood is actually really, really pretty. That's why I picked this wood. So you do you. That's what I did though. So if you get annoyed by objects that are not straight, I would definitely exit out right now. Also, wear a mask because you should be wearing one anyway because of coronavirus, and also the fumes of the spray paint. But as you can see right there, that's where the legs are crooked at. But I fixed it later on. But yeah, it wasn't really hard to do. And the spray paint that I did buy, it literally dried in 15 minutes. So I highly recommend the spray paint. It was only $6.50 at Home Depot. I just want to say sorry for looking a hot mess in this video. We were shopping all day, but I think that I did a pretty good job for my DIY, and I look forward to doing more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.